It's time to take a look at the months of the year in Irish. Let's start with January. Anar is the Irish for January. Anar. And An Chéad Lá Anar is the 1st of January. An Chéad Lá Anar. Moving on to February. Feabhra is February. Feabhra. Mí Feabhra atá ann. February is here. Mí Feabhra atá ann. Next is March. Márta is March. Márta. An Tríú Lá de Mhárta, the 3rd of March. An Tríú Lá de Mhárta. Abrán is April. Abrán. Mí Abráin na bliana seo caite. That means last April, or April of last year. Mí Abráin na bliana seo caite. Moving on to May. Bealtaine is May. Bealtaine. And if you wanted to say May Day, you could say Lá Bealtaine. Lá Bealtaine. Meitheamh is next, and Meitheamh is June. Meitheamh. I mí mheitheamh, in the month of June. I mí mheitheamh. July is Uail. Uail for July. An Dara Lá Déag de Bhí Uail, the 12th of July. An Dara Lá Déag de Bhí Uail. August is next, and August is Lúnasa. Lúnasa. Fan go mí Lúnasa. Wait until the month of August. Fan go mí Lúnasa. Next is September, and September is Manfor. So there's two words there. Man is middle, and for means autumn. So together they mean middle autumn. Manfor. Godí Manfor means until September. Godí Manfor. October is Deireadh, and this means the end of autumn. So Deireadh for end of something, and for, as I was saying, for autumn. Deireadh, October. Réabhlóid Ghearradh means the October Revolution. Réabhlóid Ghearradh. November is Mí na Samhna. Mí na Samhna, which literally translates into the month of Halloween, or the month of All Saints. Mí na Samhna. Mí na Samhna atá ann. November is upon us, or this is November. Mí na Samhna atá ann. Next is December, and December is Mí na nUllach, which literally translates into the month of Christmas. December, Mí na nUllach. Baimid réig faoi bhí na nUllach. We will be ready by December. Baimid réig faoi bhí na nUllach. So let's go down through the months again, from January to December as Gaeilge. Anar, Feabhra, Márta, Abrán. Bealtaine, Meitheamh, Uail, Lúnasa. Manfor, Deireadh, Mí na Samhna, Mí na nUllach. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and I'll be back very soon with another one. Thanks for watching. Slán Tamil.